birds go when it rains? Do they just sit inside and complain? Do they hide in their nest and hope for the best? Think to themselves, what a shame. Where do birds go when it rains? I wish they could chirp and explain, 'cause I'd like to know, and then maybe I'd go wherever birds go when it rains. Where do birds go? Some birds take a bath in the water. Some birds fly away to the sun. Cold birds huddle close in a bunch. Lean ones catch an earthworm for lunch. But most birds like to splash around and have fun. Where do birds go when it rains? I wish they could chirp and explain, 'cause I'd like to know, and then maybe I'd go wherever birds go when it rains. Where do they go? What do ants do when it pours? Can they lock all the windows and doors? When the water comes down on their hole in the ground, are there swimming pools in all of the floors? What do ants do when it pours? It's a question you shouldn't ignore, 'cause if you were that small and you saw the rain fall, what would you do if it poured? What would you do? Some ants try to run from the water. Some ants never know the rain's even there. Some might take a ride on a stick just so they could get away quick, but most just stay at home and don't really care. What do ants do when it pours? It's a question you shouldn't ignore, 'cause if you were that small and you saw the rain fall, what would you do if it poured? What would you do? Where do birds go when it rains? Do they just sit inside and complain? Do they hide in their nest and hope for the best? Tweet to themselves, what a shame. Where do birds go when it rains? I wish they could chirp and explain, 'cause I'd like to know, and then maybe I'd go wherever birds go when it rains. Where do birds go? When it rains, when it pours, when it snows, when it sleets, when it hails, when it's icky, when it's sticky, when it rains.